Yo, we just gonna monetize your life. Somebody gonna watch you because people got time for that. Ain't no time for that.
13 of the top paying trades jobs in 2025. Does plumbing make the list? People always ask me, what are going to be the top paying trades jobs next year? And I hear it about this time every year. Well, we've put together a list. We've done some research, got the information, and we're going to give them to you from highest paying down to lowest paying. Number one, elevator and escalators installers and repairmen. Now, these guys, they do make the most money. To be honest, I've talked to some of their people in their union. I think they may have some of the best benefits too. It's a great thing to do because what they do is they work on elevators, escalators, walkways, different things like this. They build them, they install them, they
What up,
repair
Izzy?
them.
Good to
It's
see you. How
a
you
perfect
doing? Y'all know
job
to go check out Izzy.
because it's
She
good,
got
clean
something
work.
popping
You make
every
great
day.
money. And to be honest, to get in, you only need like a high school diploma, nothing major. The neat thing is, once you get in it, you've got the opportunity at an early retirement. But I gotta tell you, you got to be really good to get into their unions because they're very specific, very strict about the people they hire, because this is one of the best jobs in the trades that you can get, and it's not easy. But what kind of money can they make? Well, on the list that we found, the average 102,420. Well,
See,
420 is
102,
probably because
420.
the elevators go up and down. They got to get really high to do their job. So that's not a bad living
I
for a
like
high
that
school
tie,
graduate.
sir. I like
Next
that
is
tie.
Boilermakers. Now, Boilermakers build, install, maintain, repair tanks, closed vats, other large vessels like that. I got to tell you, there's a lot to it, and it's a neat job. But just like every other job here, guys, you really only need a high school diploma to get this job. And Boilermakers, this is quite a drop down for the elevator and escalator repairmen, but $71,140. That's not a bad living for a year. Guys, in any of these numbers that I give you, you can take, divide in half. So 71,140 is about $35.50 an hour, somewhere around in there. That's not a bad living, considering minimum wage is what, $7, $8? Unless you're in
Fuck no.
California, then it's 25, $30. I don't know. But these trades jobs, you can make good money and a great living. Number three, construction building inspectors. Now, here's what I like about this. Construction and building inspectors are normally tradespeople that have risen up to that level. And they come out, they inspect jobs as they're being built. They inspect certain work as it's being repaired, remodeled, anything at all like that. Again, high school equivalent or high school diploma or equivalent, they're all going to be like that. And the construction and building inspectors, they're showing them at $67,700 a year. Not too terrible. And if you've been in the field for a while, say a plumber and electrician, you want to move up to be an inspector, it's going to be less wear and tear on your body. You're not the guy physically out in the field installing this stuff every day. You're coming in, watching it as it's built, inspecting it as it goes along, or if somebody does a remodel or repair, anything like that, certain things have to be inspected. The next one, a skilled trade, one of the first skilled trades, electrician. Now, electricians, come on guys, you know what they do. They do building power, they do TVs, communications, all kinds of wiring to make.
Now, with that being at 60, I'm going to just tell you with the skilled trades, those are very low numbers he just showed, so I'm going to have to review his review. Because an electrician, I mean, once you get out there and know what you're doing, that 60K is entry pay for somebody out of high school. He's right about that. But hell, once you get like 4 or 5 years into it, you at that 100,000 mark easy. I mean, easy. You'll find a job that's exactly what you need, and you'll be doing it. Shout out to those qualifications. Shout out to the skilled trades. Shout out to cultivating this playlist available over on Team Deepwater Cultivating. We over there dropping links with my other phone on the cultivating channel. So therefore we gonna plug that guy since he ain't gonna drop his own links. He got everybody links in the phone but his. Shout out to keeping up with homework because you know that's our playlist theme for this year. TWP. Last year was the workbook. This year is homework. We already done got more homework than we put into the workbook. So you dig videos. I get them done.